First up, we got LightText. LightText is an SMS-based payment app. So without further ado, I'm going to hand things over to LightText.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Milan. You'll hear from my teammates shortly, Sihem, Taulant, and Maurice. And we are Team LightText. And as Dan mentioned, we made a Bitcoin-based SMS service where you can text and receive payments anywhere in the world, instantly and for free. So the problem that we're trying to solve is that about 1.7 billion adults in the world do not have access to financial infrastructure. So that means they don't have a bank account and they have nowhere to put their money. But they do have access to a Nokia cell phone, as you can see. So simply through texting our app, they can create a wallet and then send and receive payments to anyone in the world for free. So when we were designing LightText, we had 4 considerations. The first two were that it had to be open and global. So that means that we could not rely on the traditional infrastructure, and we lean towards Bitcoin. And the second two were that it has to be instant and free. This kind of led us to leaning towards the Lightning Network, which you'll hear about in a moment. So the technologies that we implemented, the primary two that we built this on top of are Bitcoin and the Lightning Network. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency. It's the biggest one with the most liquidity, and it's backed by software, cryptography, and math. And then we use the Lightning Network, which is a layer 2 scaling solution, and it functions pretty much very similarly to Tor. So it uses onion routing, except instead of using sending information through Tor, we send payment information through the Lightning Network. We also use Twilio, which is the cheapest SMS service. In addition, it's available in 150 countries, so we could send payments and scale pretty quickly. And then we use Node and Express to interact between our Lightning node, our Bitcoin node, and then our users. And then finally, we use Redux, React, and Postgres, primarily to manage the user's balances and transactions. So now Sihem is going to walk us through the actual product.
Hi. So in order to illustrate what Milan just said, I'm going to give you an example of user-to-user transaction. So last time when I was in Paris, my friend Tali asked me to buy him chocolate from France because there we have the best one. So when I asked him to pay me, he suggests me to pay through the LightText. He told me that it will be easier, like faster, secured, and cheap. And actually, it was free. So I was able to use the LightText because I have signed up before, and he has signed up. So if you want to guys use the LightText, you should sign up before. So then when we check our balance, we could see that he has been charged and I have been paid. So yeah, it was really fast. Thank you, Dali.
So I'm going to walk you through our website in a second until we get the message. Oh, yes, so this is our website. We have a signing page. We have a Bitcoin converter over here. We also have a price chart for Bitcoin for the past 30 days. And all the way in the end, we have everything about us. Now let's log in because I already have an account. This is my secure password, by the way. So this is our dashboard. If you then you have the recent transaction. If you don't have your phone, you can also send and receive and check your balance right via this form over here. I'm sending 200 satoshis to Milan, and we also receive a notification. We have a chart representation of our receive and send bitcoins. We also can filter through them. If you want to see all your transaction, you can check it via this page over here. Let's check the balance too. You can do that through here as well. Yep. Now Maurice.
Thanks, Tali. Hey guys, my name is Maurice, and so far everything you've seen has been user-to-user transactions. I'm going to show you user-to-business. So as you can see on the screen that we're on Lightning Pizza, and we're going to use this website to order pizza from Domino's with Bitcoin. So let's add some stuff to our cart. Let's get cheese pizza, pepperoni, and when we check out, it's going to generate an invoice for us. So we just copy that to our clipboard, switch back over to our phone, simply type in pay invoice, paste it in, press send, and voila. We got our Bitcoin payment. Go back to the website, and we can see that our order has been confirmed. And when we go to Domino's, we could track our order, and it's on its way. So it's easy, fast, and transaction-free. That's the magic of LightText. Thanks, guys.
I'm definitely impressed. And although the web portion of this project is very impressive, I really like it when teams take things to the phone. I like the ability to actually have actions that are performed by texting, and I think that's really exciting about this team.
Yeah, as developers, texting is an entirely different information protocol. It's SMS versus HTTP, which is a fun bear to learn, and this team did a great job of sort of wrestling with this new technology, Bitcoin and the Lightning